Welcome back to Best Futuristic Gadgets. Emergencies don't wait for you to be prepared. They arrive when you're alone, when you're far from help, when your body does something unexpected. A smart ring that detects a cardiac event before you feel it and contacts emergency services before you can. A health scanner that takes an ECG, measures blood oxygen, checks your temperature, and listens to your lungs from one handheld device. And a satellite communicator that sends an SOS from anywhere on Earth, where no cell tower has ever been built. 5 emergency gadgets, all of them capable of saving your life, the ones you want before you need them. Number 1. Medical alert devices used to announce themselves, bulky, clinical, and impossible to wear without broadcasting that you were wearing one. The MGMove changed that entirely. This is a smartwatch-style personal emergency response device that looks like a premium wearable and functions as a 24/7 safety system built for the person who wants the protection of a medical alert device without the stigma that traditional designs carried. One button connects directly to Medical Guardian's 24/7 U.S.-based monitoring center, trained operators who assess the situation, contact emergency services if needed, and notify your designated caregivers with your GPS location in real time. GPS tracking means the protection works anywhere, not just at home, not just in a cellular coverage zone, but wherever you go. Fall detection activates automatically when a hard fall is detected and no response is given, dispatching help even when the wearer can't press the button themselves. Activity tracking, step counting, and health monitoring complete the smartwatch experience around the safety core. Safety devices used to look like safety devices. The MGMove looks like something you'd wear by choice, because it is. Number 2. Most health wearables collect data and send you a summary. The Vita ring acts on it when it matters most. Alert, advise, act. 3 words that separate this ring from every passive health tracker available. Continuous monitoring of heart rate, blood oxygen, HRV, skin temperature, sleep quality, and stress levels running silently on your finger throughout every day and every night, building a health baseline and tracking deviations from it in real time. The AI interprets what it finds in context, recognizing patterns that indicate developing health issues before symptoms appear and alerting to anomalies that warrant attention rather than burying them in a weekly report. The advise function delivers personalized health guidance built around your specific biometric patterns, not population averages, but recommendations calibrated to how your body specifically responds. And, in critical situations, detected arrhythmia, dangerous blood oxygen drops, falls, it acts. Emergency contacts notified, location shared, appropriate response triggered before you've had time to process what's happening. Most wearables watch passively. The Vita ring responds actively, and when it matters most, that difference can mean everything. Number 3. A full health check used to require a clinic, an appointment, and equipment spread across multiple rooms. The BeamO does it all from one device you hold in your hand. This is a 4-in-1 health multiscan, a single handheld device that takes a medical-grade ECG reading, measures blood oxygen saturation, checks your body temperature with a contactless thermometer, and records lung sounds through an integrated digital stethoscope. 4 clinical-grade measurements, 1 device, minutes. The ECG detects atrial fibrillation and irregular rhythm patterns with the accuracy that makes the data medically relevant, not a consumer approximation, but a reading your doctor can actually use. The stethoscope captures lung and heart sounds at quality that supports remote consultation. Your physician hears what a clinic stethoscope would hear. All readings sync to the Withings HealthMate app, building a longitudinal health record that tracks trends over time, flags anomalies, and can be shared directly with healthcare providers for remote consultation. For managing chronic conditions, monitoring family members, or anyone who wants clinical-grade health data without clinic visits, a full health check used to require a clinic. The BeamO fits in your jacket pocket. Number 4. Cell coverage ends. Satellite coverage does not. The Garmin inReach Messenger Plus communicates from anywhere on Earth, mountain summit, open ocean, remote desert, because it doesn't use cellular towers. It uses the Iridium satellite network, which covers every square meter of this planet's surface without exception or gap. One Touch SOS sends your GPS coordinates and an emergency signal to the Garmin Response Center, a 24/7 professional monitoring service that coordinates with local search and rescue on your behalf. They know exactly where you are. They know you need help. They dispatch it without you needing to do anything beyond pressing that button. Two-way messaging via the companion app keeps you connected with family and contacts before a situation escalates. Check-ins, location shares, and text messages that travel via satellite when your phone shows no bars whatsoever. GPS tracking with breadcrumb trail for navigation without cellular maps. Weather forecasts downloaded to the device, a battery built for days of active use in the field. In a genuine backcountry emergency, the difference between satellite communication and no satellite communication is the difference between being found and not being found. The inReach Messenger Plus is the device that makes sure you're found. Number 5. Your mirror shows you what you look like. The Withings Omnia shows you how you actually are. This is a smart health mirror that performs a comprehensive health scan while you stand in front of it. Body composition analysis, heart rate, vascular age, and key health metrics measured passively through sensors embedded in the mirror surface in the time it takes to look at your reflection. No wearable required, no device to put on, no scan to remember to initiate. You stand in front of it as part of your morning routine, and the health data appears alongside your reflection. The longitudinal tracking is where it becomes genuinely valuable. Daily measurements building a health trend picture over weeks and months that reveals changes invisible in any single day's reading. Your morning routine now includes a health check. The Withings Omnia makes sure you don't have to do anything extra to get it. Thanks for watching Best Futuristic Gadgets. Subscribe and stay upgraded.